Living in a state with no income tax sounds ideal. However, these states find other ways to raise revenue, which could impact your overall cost of living. We ranked the 9 states without income tax, looking beyond just the tax savings to include affordability, quality of life, and cost of essential goods. Alaska has no income or sales tax, but high property taxes and a steep cost of living offset the benefit. Plus, it ranks last for quality of life. Here is how it ranks in other factors. Total tax burden, 4.93%. Cost of living index, 123.4. Median home price, $379,600. Average gas price, $3.31. Average temperature, 26.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Nevada makes up for its lack of income tax with heavy taxes on goods and services, especially in tourist hotspots like Las Vegas. Total tax burden, 7.37%. Cost of living index, 100.1. Median home price, $428,100. Average gas price, $3.66. Average temperature, 49.9 degrees Fahrenheit. Wyoming keeps sales and property taxes low, but overall quality of life ranks low, and the cold climate may be a factor for some. Total tax burden, 5.70%. Cost of living index, 100.1. Median home price, $276,000. Average gas price, $2.94. Average temperature, 42 degrees Fahrenheit. South Dakota leans on sales and excise taxes. Total tax burden, 6.44%. Cost of living index, 101.2. Median home price, $302,800. Average gas price, $2.88. Average temperature, 45.2 degrees Fahrenheit. While there's no income or sales tax, New Hampshire has some of the highest property taxes in the country. Total tax burden, 5.63%. Cost of living index, 111.5. Median home price, $452,700. Average gas price, $2.98. Average temperature, 43.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Tennessee removed its investment income tax in 2021 and now relies heavily on sales tax. Total tax burden, 6.07%. Cost of living index, 90. Median home price, $377,200. Average gas price, $2.79. Average temperature, 57.6 degrees Fahrenheit. While there's no personal or corporate income tax, Washington imposes a 7% capital gains tax on higher earners. Total tax burden, 8.04%. Cost of living index, 113.6. Median home price, $618,000. Average gas price, $3.93. Average temperature, 48.3 degrees Fahrenheit. Texas ranks high thanks to its relatively affordable living costs and strong quality of life. Total tax burden, 7.56%. Cost of living index, 92.6. Median home price, $357,800. Average gas price, $2.70. Average temperature, 64.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Florida takes the top spot with a low tax burden and high quality of life. Its balanced tax structure and warm climate make it a favorite for many. Total tax burden, 6.05%. Cost of living index, 102.4. Median home price, $407,200. Average gas price, $3.16. Average temperature, 70.7 degrees Fahrenheit. Living in a state with no income tax might sound like a financial win, but it's only part of the picture. Whether you're thinking about a move or just curious, it's worth comparing the full cost of living, not just your tax rate, before making a decision.